Good morning, boys. Welcome to assembly. Let's start with our junior primary prayer. Please bow your heads. Bless me, Lord, at school today. Make me glad to learn. Keep me gentle when I play. Make me wait my turn. Keep me quick to hear and see. Kind in all I do. Bless the one who teaches me and my classmates too. So boys, this is my first assembly for the term, and I thought that since it's a new term, we need to think about the way that we do things in the beginning, the way that we start things and the way that we end things. So today's assembly is called Doors of Opportunity. And there's two concepts in there that needs explaining. Doors, and the other one is, of course, opportunities. So what is a door? A door is something that lets you in or out. It separates one thing from another. For example, it separates the outside from the inside. It separates one bedroom from another, maybe a classroom from a corridor. A door could hide things, like our messy cupboard. The doors can hide those things inside. It might even keep things safe, like the door of a safe. It can be plain, it can be decorated. There's many different kinds of doors. I want you to look at these pictures that I found of doors, and I want you to think about the importance of each door and what's the purpose of each door. Perhaps you can ask your teacher to stop and you can reflect on each of those doors and discuss perhaps what lies behind. Most of the doors that we pass through are familiar to us. We know what to expect when we go through our door to our classroom, or the front door to our home, or our bedroom door. However, in our lives, there are doors that we all experience. These are often called doors of opportunity. An opportunity is like a gift to have a go at something. A door of opportunity is when we have the gift of trying something new. It may be the opportunity to learn in a different way, like we've all experienced at home. It may be like starting a new school term. It may be that we get a chance to try a new sport or a skill. It may be that we get the opportunity to meet new people and make new friends.
Remember the story of the lion, the witch, and the wardrobe? Lucy found this wardrobe, and when she opened the door to the wardrobe, found herself in a new land of wonders and adventure.
Each new opportunity that we are given is like a door. We can choose to keep the door shut and not walk through. We can choose not to take the opportunity given to us. Or we can say yes to that opportunity. To say yes is like opening a door and walking through it to experience whatever new opportunity is on offer. Sometimes what we find on the other side may be difficult. We may decide that we don't like it, but at least we've had a new experience to take with us for the rest of our lives. Can you remember a time when you did something new? It may have been your first day at school, maybe your first day back when we returned to school after the lockdown, your first swimming lesson, maybe even the first time you jumped off of a really high place. How did you feel? You probably felt a bit worried when you tried new things. Stop this video and discuss with your teacher what qualities we need to walk through those doors of opportunity. Trying new things takes courage. You have to be brave enough to step forward and have a go, even though you might not be certain about what will happen. Did you mention some of these qualities when you were discussing them with your teacher? Bravery, as we've just said, perseverance, enthusiasm, an inquiring mind, confidence. And so to make the most of the opportunities that we're given in life, we need also to work on these qualities. This coming term will be full of new opportunities. Let us take the opportunities that come our way and try lots of new things. Why not make a decision that during this week you will try one new thing that you've never done before? Come and tell me how you managed. And perhaps you'll find that it wasn't so bad after all. And that means each week following that, you can try a new thing and a new thing until you've broadened your horizons, you've taken many more opportunities, and you'll be in a far better place. Let us pray. Dear Lord, thank you for the beauty of this world in which we live. Thank you for the changes that we see going on around us all at this time. The beautiful buds and blossoms appearing on the trees. Help us to keep our eyes open so that we notice the world and notice the opportunities that come our way. Thank you for these opportunities. Please help us to have the courage always to try new things and to take the opportunities that come our way. Amen. Right, so let's see in this first week when we've had all our boys back in school, who is being recognized by their teachers. In Bedivere, impressive strides with individual reading and understanding of passages has been made by Jaden Gabri-Selassie. Rex Wellstead is awarded for his kind and loving attitude to his teachers and peers. Riyad Samadin for his maturity and positive attention on his return to school. Well done to those boys. Let's give them a big marshmallow clap. You won't be able to hear anything. In Galahad, Akhil Ganda is awarded for his pleasing development of comprehension at an inferential level. To Joel Asamoah for beginning his third term in grade 1 with enthusiasm and confidence. Well done to those Galahad boys. Let's give them a big hip, hip, hooray! In Lancelot, Rupert Rath for his consistently excellent behavior and diligent approach to all his learning. To Hamza Wadi for his accurate and neat work. For his beautiful manners and bringing such happiness to our classroom is Rehan Vardio. To Savan Sharma for his effort in paying attention to detail in his handwriting, and to Alex van der Hoven for his confident approach to answering his comprehension questions. Let's give them, those boys from Lancelot, a big round of applause. And our final house, Tristram. Evan McGlashan is awarded for his enthusiastic manner in which he completes all the work within the classroom. To Sarah Pardesi for his wonderful work in numeracy. To Jack Thompson for his out-of-the-world effort in his space theme work. Oh, I like that, out-of-the-world effort. To Lonwabo Mata for improving his work pace and completing tasks more timeously. And to Issa Dasu for beginning his third term in grade 1 with enthusiasm and confidence. Finally, Imange Ntontela for his confident approach to answering his comprehension questions. Well done to the boys from Tristram. Right, boys, that is our assembly for today. I want you all to go back into your classes today, into your lessons, and I want you to look for those opportunities. And when you find those opportunities, I want you to open the door wide and go through and enjoy what you find on the other side. See where that door takes you. Have a lovely week. Bye.